Good morning. This is All India Radio, Kohima. The morning news are read by Jonas Yantan. Nagaland government has decided to facilitate online applications for scheduled tribe and backward tribe certificates through the eDistrict portal soon. The decision came in yesterday following the Chief Secretary meeting on e-services with the Departments of Home, IT&C and Commissioner Nagaland. It said necessary training of district officials will be conducted through online modules for the same. Also, as an enhancement to the existing online ILP for tourists, a module to enable renewal of ILP through online mode would be added. Further, the state has registered an increased use of online services such as online scholarship, NPSC application and ILP tourists. Over 40,000 NPSC applications processed since 2018, while 41,680 online scholarship applications received in 2020 and 8,971 applications received for online ILP tourists and 5,509 ILPs issued since November 2019. Tension still continues to prevail along the Assam Nagaland border at Zurangong under Muguchung due to the presence of Assam police at Vikuto village area. Interacting with Deputy Commissioner Mukukchung Limawapang Jamir yesterday at his office chamber, the DC stated that he has written a complaint letter to his Jorhat counterpart about Nagaland-bound trucks carrying essential commodities being held up for hours at New Sonowal Forest Check Gate in Assam. Jamir said that he is yet to get a response on this issue from his counterpart. Meanwhile, on being queried about the recent developments on construction of roads and barracks around the Vikuto village area, the DC stated that it cannot be confirmed officially as Assam police stationed are not allowing anyone, including the administrative officers, to move beyond. Confirming about the 23rd July incident at Sungam village where Assam police personnel destroyed some developmental activities carried out under MGNREGA, the DC regretted the unilateral action taken by Assam and opined that they should have contacted the district administration Mukukchung and if needed could have conducted a joint verification at the spot. The centre has asked states and union territories to issue strict directions to the districts and all other local authorities concerned to take necessary measures for management of COVID-19. In a letter to the state chief secretaries, Home Secretary Ajay Palla yesterday said the officers concerned should be made personally responsible for any laxity in strict enforcement of COVID-appropriate behavior. He said there should be no room for complacency and the process of relaxing restrictions should be carefully calibrated. Home Secretary said strictest possible measures should be taken in the districts that are still showing high positivity rates. He said there is a need to ensure COVID-appropriate behavior in all crowded places in view of the upcoming festivals. He said there should be continuous focus on the five-fold strategy for effective management of COVID-19, test, track, treat, vaccination, and adherence to COVID-appropriate behavior. Nagaland yesterday reported another spike of 114 fresh COVID-19 cases. Kohima reported 37 new cases, 30 from Tumapu, 25 in Mukukchung, 9 in Twensang, 8 from Mon, 2 in Peren, and 1 each in Gifre, Pek, and Zunuputo. With a positivity rate at 6.62%, the total confirmed caseload in the state has now reached 27,586. On the other hand, recoveries of 75 corona patients have also improved the tally of recovered cases to 24,910, while 2 more deaths has increased the state's COVID-19 casualties to 538. Currently, there are 1,350 active corona patients. So far, a total of 7,58,089 doses of COVID-19 vaccine have been administered in the state. And as the nationwide free COVID-19 vaccination campaign at government facilities for those above 18 years is going on, we advise our young listeners to get vaccinated and also to help others get vaccinated. We also advise our listeners not to lower their guard as COVID-19 remains a threat to our health. Please stay at home unless it is essential to go out and continue to follow these 3 simple steps. Wear a face mask, maintain 6 feet for social distancing, focus on hand and face hygiene. For any COVID related information and guidance, contact national helpline numbers 011 2397 8046 and 1075 and state helpline number 1800 With that, we come to the end of the morning news. Have a nice day.